Hi everyone, nice to see you here. I'm Amanda. For the past, we have received a lot of feedback from our customers. Here, let's see some together. The customer from Russia said, the most important is the stable quality. I had some problems in past. I bought a tools and the first bunch was good quality, but the next bunch was worse. And the next bunch was even worse. The customer from Indonesia said, currently this product is cheaper than yours, but the quality is not uniform. The customer from Iran market said, when I first ordered from China, they showed me good sample, but after I order, they send different taps with low quality. The customer from American market said, the taps look like it's good, but material and hardness every time changes. He told us we use M35 material, but we find M2 material. From these keys, we can see that all the customers are facing problems that the drill bit and taps is not stable. So in this video today, I will explain what determines the quality of the drill and taps and why is it unstable. First, let's see the factors decide the quality of the HS drill and taps. The first one is material, and the second one is heat treatment. The third one is the machining level. First, let's see the material first. These brands are the high-speed steel brands in China now. So what's their difference? From the technical point, their wear-resistant, red hardness, and toughness is different. As the cost of these brands is reducing, their stability is also getting lower. The second factor is the heat treatment. We all know that for the heat treatment, there is strict control for the temperature, time, and volume for each batch. Generally speaking, when the factory has its own heat treatment workshop, that means their quality is relatively stable. But different factories heat treatment level is also different. The third one, machining level. So, what decides the machining level of different factories? We need to see these three factors: the technician teams, the equipment, and the operators. For the technician teams, generally for the producing process, are developed by the technician team. Their understanding and experience make them know very well about the producing process. They also know the problems easy to happen during producing. So, when they set the producing process, they know how to handle and to avoid them. For the equipment, the higher level equipment, the producing precision is more higher. And for the operators, the more skilled operators, the better control for the machining. So now we know the three factors decide the quality of the HS drill and taps. Then, if we want a stable quality, how do we choose the factories? First, we need to see the materials they are using. And the second, we can see if they have their own heat treatment. The third, we can see how many years experience of the factory producing drill bit and taps. Of course, we also need to consider the market. Is it the DIY market or the industrial market? Then, based on the market situation, we know how to choose the right supplier. So, this is the share of our today's video. Hope it is helpful for you. Thank you. See you next time.